in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contour, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium broke. Wanna fat pretty like Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my auntie, got a young.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, hey. And if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So today we are doing something a little bit different. It's Tuesday, so it's a wig day. That's what Tuesdays are for. But the brand is different. Obviously by the title and by the thumbnail, you can tell that it is a wig from Amazon. So if you want to know my thoughts on this wig and whatnot, keep on watching. This is how it came. It just say wig, girl. Just wig. No brand name. It just say wig. Even on the back it just says wig. I have not opened it yet because I wanted like to capture my real reaction and for you guys to see it like coming straight out the bag. And for this wig review I'm going to also try to talk through it the whole time. Now y'all know I can't talk, so don't come for me too much, but we just gonna see how it do what it do. But this is the color. I don't know if you can see it through the bag, but yeah, let's just open it. I'm not getting a smell, so it comes with these little sponges, I guess for makeup, to apply pressed powder and loose powder. Okay, that's cute. A weaving cap, I guess. Yeah, Ooh, there's some on my teeth. This is the wig. Oh, she's brighter than I thought she's gonna be. Yeah, let's just put it on. Okay, so it comes with a little net over it. I can't get it off. And it's giving real Shirley Temple. That's what I'm getting from it so far. It has two combs in the front and no comb in the back. Yeah, it only has two combs. It has your adjustable straps. I don't know if you can see that. This wig, oh, because I was like, girl, the way this set up, who finna get this on their head? They have both of the straps on one side, but there's two straps. They just had them hooked on the one side. I was like, I need a little more stretch. So, yeah. Oh, I already took it off, so I guess let's just put this on. So they had a bunch of colors of this wig from the seller that I bought it from, but they had a bunch of colors. They had like orange and pink and a 1B. I don't think they had a 2. They had something with some blonde in it. They had a 613 blonde. I just feel like that was just too much for me personally, but okay, so this is what we're looking like right now. Am I cute? Okay, let's ooh, she got a little bounce to her. All right, girl. Obviously we're going to have to finger comb her out. I was trying to think if I wanted to use a comb, but I think I'm just going to use a finger comb. Yeah, or a finger comb, my fingers. So let's just play with it. I feel like it got potential. I really wanted the orange one, I can't lie, but I think I had said something to my husband about an orange one, and he was like, you gonna look like a clown. And so I was like, oh, you might be right. But I don't know. I might still go back and order that orange one because this ain't too bad. Obviously, I'm gonna have to cut some bangs in there, but let me just keep finger combing. She gonna have to be shaped up because baby, she's giving not mullet, close to mullet though. Like a curly mullet, an afro mullet. If the curls were a little bit different, it would give me soul glow. Oh my god, I think I actually might like her. Oh my god. The funny thing is, like, my mama actually inspired me to get this wig because she has a wig like somewhat like this, but hers is a 1. She got it in black and it was so cute on her when she wore it. I'm going to pop a picture up of her right here. She was so cute when she wore it. Okay, she's kind of a banger. I want to say this wig was only no more than $25. I'll have it in the description box below. I think I might go ahead and get that orange though. I don't really like these long parts down here, so I think I'm for sure gonna cut them. That ain't giving. This is hella cute. Yeah, it's not, I don't feel like the cap construction on here, I feel like it's big head friendly. When I first took it out the little bag or whatever, I was like, oh baby, this is not about to fit nobody with a normal size head, let alone a big head. But it was just where the straps were. It's a lot of hair, but I don't think it's like too much hair. The one my mama had, like, she had a lot of hair, like, on hers. It was very, very thick, but it was like, it was cute. I would definitely have to wear that one during the winter. Would I wear this during the summertime? Yeah, why not? But I feel like the color of it, I don't know, I just feel like it's more appropriate for fall and winter, so I would definitely wear it then. And you know, they be calling wigs hats anyways, so I'd wear this hat and be cute with it too, girl. I feel like you could put it up into a cute little style, nothing crazy though. And you would definitely have to leave some little pieces out on the side or something like that, but I don't know, I kind of like it like this. But I'm not gonna talk y'all's head off. If y'all like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave. Also, make sure you push the button, that way you're notified every time I upload a video. Make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. I also have a TikTok. It's at Dotson, just like my YouTube and my Instagram name. Girl, I can't stop putting my fingers through this hair. Other than that, make sure you check out make sure you check out my other videos. I'm pretty sure I've popped some up in the cards above, and I'll also leave some in the description box below. But other than that, girl, I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.
Black girls in my area cold, dark skin, light skin, medium